Bread can be done in different ways, and I'm going to show you how to do bread rolls with pre-fermented bread dough. For this recipe I'm using 225 grams bread flour with 120 milliliters warm water, 6 grams yeast, 4 grams salt and 20 grams sugar. First, into a mixing bowl add warm water, into that add the sugar, yeast and leave it to prove. So the yeast already has activated. Going to add the bread flour into the mixing bowl and salt. Need about 15 minutes. I knit the dough about 15 minutes and going to leave this in the same bowl covered in the fridge about 15 hours. The dough rested about 17 hours in the fridge and this is how it looks like. Now I have the rest of the ingredients here to do the bread rolls. For that I'm using 100 grams bread flour, 75 milliliters water, 2 grams salt, 4 grams instant dry yeast and 30 grams butter. So let's start doing the next part of the recipe. Into the dough that you had in the fridge add the flour, into that add the salt, yeast and start mixing. Now start adding water bit by bit. When you add water, make sure that you don't add the water at once, always bit by bit. While adding the water, add the butter. So the dough is ready and I was kneading this about 20 minutes and it's a really soft elastic dough. Now I'm going to leave it in a warm place again to double in size. So the bread dough is ready and double in size. Punch it down. You can use any filling for this recipe or you can go without any filling too. I have some pastry cream that I'm going to use in these bread rolls. You can use a savory or a sweet filling for this. So cut the dough according to the size of the buns that you like. Now take the dough, press down and make balls and leave it on the bench top about 10 minutes to rest. Take one part of the dough, press down and roll the dough. Put the filling in the middle, seal the ends. I'm using this round pan and I'm going to leave the bread in this tray. So the bread rolls are ready to go to the oven. Brush the top of the buns with some eggs. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes or until golden brown. I just took the bread rolls out from the oven and this is how it is. It's a really soft and a moist roll that you can try at home. Try this at home and don't forget to leave a comment. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.